welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Cora's Life. Today we're going to be doing a recipe video on how to make banana cake. If you're interested, keep watching it. The cake is super moist and it's really easy to make. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For this banana cake, we're gonna need all-purpose flour, whole wheat flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, sugar, butter, eggs, pecans, and bananas. In a large mixing bowl, you want to combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. To this, you want to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Next, in a smaller mixing bowl, you want to combine 3 cracked eggs with half a cup of sugar. You want to blend this really well, and then to this you want to add half a cup of butter and mix it all together. To the mixture you made, you want to add 5 ripe bananas which are mashed, and you want to mix it all really well. Then you want to add half a cup of pecans and mix that together. Once you have finished making the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients, you want to combine the wet ingredients in increments and continuously mix throughout. Then in an oiled nonstick pan, you want to pour the batter, and then I like to put a banana on top for my banana cake, but that's totally up to you. If you do want to put the banana, then you want to slice the banana in half and bake it at 350 degrees. For the whole cake, you need 45 minutes, but halfway throughout the baking process, I sprinkle a little bit of sugar onto the banana just to caramelize it a little bit more. With that, this recipe comes to an end. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipe videos.